Look at my braids. Like, they look so... I just did what is arguably the worst set of flat twists ever. But I really don't care. Like, my hair is not done. What can I say? It's not done. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Lewa baby. This is arguably one of the worst set of braids I've ever done myself. Honestly, I've been doing my braids myself for a really long time, probably since college. But then every now and then I'll get my hair done professionally. The last couple of months specifically though, because I've been growing my hair back out, I was relaxed and now I'm natural. I haven't been able to go to anyone professionally because they have like a 4-inch length minimum. I really do think you can braid just about any inch. At least an inch of hair, you could definitely braid that, at least in singles for sure. But yeah, you usually need about 4 inches of hair and I got that now. So I will be getting my hair done. See, this is why these braids are not good. Like, why is this getting tangled? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I like to do what I call knotless style braids. So they look like knotless braids, but they're not really knotless braids. They just end up looking knotless because I make them so small and thin. They're usually a lot longer than this too, and the curls usually last weeks because it's also not this much hair. But I messed up big time. I made these braids like medium size. I used way too much hair, so now the curls don't hold. It gets tangled very often. The roots look very rough. Mind you, I've only had these in for like 3 weeks. It's just not the vibe. And I was like, you know what? This is my sign. Just go get your hair done. I'm low-key also like getting tired of doing the same braids over and over. I think I've grown my hair out enough to a point where I can just go get them done. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's low-key like hard to find braiders that I feel like are within my budget, because there's no way you're catching me paying $500 for braids. Are we kidding? First things first, I gotta take these braids out and I'm gonna take my headband off. Don't be scared. Oh, dun dun dun. Look at my braids. Like stop. They look so... Anyways, the way I do my braids too, because I'm the one braiding it, I braid it really loosely so that when it's time to take it out, I can just slide it out. Isn't that lovely? And it's like, it's not all of them that I'll be able to slide out because some I had to grip. But for the most part, I should be able to slide them all out. Oh my goodness. Oh, my hair is dirty. But this cuts down my takeout process by like a lot. Let me put my hair up and get serious. Shrinkage is so real. Good morning from me and my toi. My coils are like super tight, which is fine. I'm okay with it, but this is like my least favorite part of getting my hair done. It's blow drying it. I don't want to do that. Like, that's just so much tension and pullage and heat. Ugh. But anyways, let me show you guys the hairstyle that I am trying to do. I think it's really cute. I found it on Pinterest. Where is it? I haven't done cornrows in so long. Silly me, the light is like reflecting, so I'm just gonna like put a picture up of it. But yeah, I'm gonna do this hairstyle down to the beads and I'm just gonna make my braids a little bit longer. And I just hope this looks good on me because, you know, my head is so tiny and I really haven't done cornrows in so long. Let me see if I can find the last time I actually did cornrows. It's probably on my Instagram, like at least had them done. Oh my gosh, 2021. And then it was also when I had ginger hair, like I was going through a ginger phase, so I dyed my actual hair ginger, so I was getting my braids, my twists, everything ginger. It was really cute too. I got like a design on the side. I also had beads on the end as well too. I love beads. I just feel like cornrows are so simple. You gotta spice it up with something. So I'm gonna do a little design and then I'm gonna do the beads at the end. And it's gonna be really cute. I got 4 packs of beads because I think I want about like 10 beads on each braid. I should have about 16 braids. My hair looks so ashy. Mind you, I don't have any product in it. And I think it's honestly because my hair isn't like a true jet black. It's like an off black. It's like 1B. So it'd be looking a little dull. I really do think my hair is very healthy because of the shampoo and conditioner that I use. I use the Redken, is it like the bonding, acidic bonding concentrate? Let me actually go see. So it's the acidic bonding concentrate line shampoo and conditioner, and then this is also the leave-in treatment that I'm going to use now before blow drying my hair. And I have been using Redken since I started relaxing my hair, like the last 2-3 years, but they actually sent me this. Shout out to Redken. Let's go blow dry this hair. I just did what is arguably the worst set of flat twists ever. But I really don't care. The hair is blow dried. Even if I wanted to do my own hair right now, I couldn't because of my nails. Let's take a moment. I can't do my hair with them. Even if I wanted to do my own braids right now, I couldn't. I can barely flat twist. Like this one, I tried a little. This one? Don't ask me nothing. On some real, I really don't be caring. Like my in between getting my hair done state, I don't care. Like my hair's not done. What can I say? It's not done. Yeah, let me show you guys the beads I got. I didn't realize that I already had, but I ended up buying another one that's like low-key really close in shade to it. But this is the beads that I used for my Juneteenth look. And I don't really care for the metal gold thingies because I feel like those rust really quickly. But I liked the beads that were in it and I liked this one specifically, so that's why I got it. Today, I just got 4 packs. 3 of the same pack and then one of these, which is like a lighter shade of brown. Either way, that is 6 packs of beads in total. If each has about 40 in it, maybe less than 40, that's like about 240 beads. I have to remember to bring this and the tool that she used to put beads in, and then elastic bands. These are things that she might already have, but I'm gonna bring it just in case. I don't want to have to come home and put the beads on myself. I want the full service. My appointment isn't for another 2 hours, so this is the perfect time for me to start a project that I can be working on, because I think it said it might take up to 6 hours. You guys, I'm already thinking like, damn, I don't want to sit for 6 hours, but then when I do my own hair, it takes me literally 5 days. Like, what really is 6 hours compared to 5 days? So I'm gonna just suck it up. But I do want to find something to be doing while I'm there. So I'm gonna start a crochet project. So see you at my hair appointment. Usually when I get my hair done, I do not know how to stay out of the camera. Like, I love opening up that camera, but I've actually had these braids in for almost 2 weeks now and they're still looking clean, you feel me? That's honestly because I wanted to wait for, you know, my head to calm down a little. When I first got them done, they were snatched, okay? She snatched these braids up. The beads came out so cute too. I'm glad I decided. She actually convinced me to do the braids short and not mid-back, and I'm so glad she did that. Like, this is very cute. What are you doing in here? Look at him looking. He knows he's not supposed to be in here, and he always be looking just like that when he knows he's not supposed to be in here. Sir, I actually don't have time for you right now. I've been doing some really cute hairstyles with this, even though it's just cornrows, but like I've been making like little buns in the back to like lift the braids up and, you know, have the beads sticking out. It's been real cute. The hairs in the front have like come out naturally, so I can do my edges now. I don't like prematurely putting out edges like when I get my hair done, because I just feel like it makes the braids look rough sooner. So I just prefer when they naturally come out, and even when I do my edges, I do them so minimally. So one, I use a little spoolie, like an eyelash spoolie, and the black got to be gel, and I've been doing this since college. I just take a little and then I first just like brush the edges forward with it. Yep, this is all the gel I'm going to use. I just do like swoops. But yeah, no, I just give it a second to dry and that's it. That is how I do my edges. For the most part, I usually just keep my hair down like this. But when I do want to put it up, I just take it to the back, do a little twist and up pull hair tie and bun it. And it just like falls like a cascade. And it makes so much noise when I move. I love it. Anyways, but since we have now reached the almost 2-week mark, it's low-key starting to itch a little because she did use some gel to do my hair, and my hair gets flaky real quick. So this morning I put some anti-itch oil in between my cornrows, and that's helping a little. But I think maybe in a few days I'm going to put on a wig cap and wash these cornrows. The wig cap is going to help prevent any like excess frizz, but still make it possible for me to wash my scalp, which I need to do. I'm gonna do that pretty soon, and then I should probably be able to keep these braids in for like at least another 2 weeks. But yeah, I'm loving it so far. This is probably the closest I'm going to get to having a low cut again, because I really do miss my low cut, but I don't necessarily want to have a low cut. Like, I want short hair, but I don't want to cut my hair yet. So cornrows it is. Like, this is so cute. You can see the entire shape of my head. This is it. I'm so happy with the results, and after this lovely experience, I actually don't feel like doing my own hair for a long time. Like, I forgot how easy it could be to have somebody else do your own hair and then not have to worry about it, because it looks so good. I don't feel like I have to like tidy it up in a few weeks because, you know, I did it myself and it's a little rough. Ugh, this is great. I love this for me. I will be going back. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, feel free to like, comment, subscribe so you can see more of me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.